All right, so trying to do more local meets, show you guys the scene in Florida. We pulled up to 9thgen. They do meets here once a month. If I'm not, stop laughing. They do meets once a month, so I never go to like local car shows. I barely even go, or meets. I barely even go to car shows. So I wanted to go out some more and see the scene because, you know, I don't leave my house. So let's see what's going on here. All right, so here we have an M3 and it's bagged on CR cars. And I think it looks pretty good. Fitment is on point, ish. I would run more camber because that's just me. All right, so what I said before we started recording, I'm not good at this whole recording in public shit. But what I said was, this car is clean. It's static. You're not close to me. You could just walk it. No, this shit is clean. It's static and props because no bacon fenders. Fitment is fire. No bags. I mean, this is what I would go for when the wagon is done. You know, clean everything.
Oh.
Yeah, so I think I found my favorite car of the whole meet.
Right here.
And yeah, exactly what I was going for. Yeah. So here we have a beautiful Honda S2000 in Berliner red, with one with a soft top, and then we have the rare Silverstone silver with a hard top. I think they imported these from like Korea or something. Fire, never seen one in person before. Stop it, it's a Maxima, stop it. It's an Ultima, whatever, still shit. So remember the beautiful S2000 Silverstone silver that we saw? Here we have the previous generation of Berliner red. It's more classical. I don't really like the old ones, but still beautiful Korean S2000. And this nice beautiful 8th gen. I don't know who owns it, but I think it's pretty clean. That piece of shit wagon. Beautiful Type R. And a beautiful F80. We're working on a Honda Accord today, and you know what's gonna happen. It's fancy stuff. So Jeiko got new wheels for his Accord, and we got some camber parts so we can fit them. It's gonna look so good. So we need more camber in the front, so we have the extended uppers with the chubby fat, so you don't have to shave on top of your strut mount. So we're getting that out and getting the new one installed.
Getting the new one what?
Installed. All right, so we're having the problem when we went to go put the new top hat. This goes there, and then the camber top plate goes, but this bushing stops here, so it doesn't thread all the way down. So we're trying to get the old bushing out of the old top plate, and they're seized in, so we're trying to figure that out now. Damn. All right, so we got the fitment copied on this side as to the other side, so we should be good with the front. So now we just got to move on to the rear and finish that, because you know, as usual, a 30-minute job. It's probably been like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, who knows, but it's finally done. Damn, Jeiko, what do you think about the front so far?
We're sweaty, but look good. Very good. We outside for.
I'm not gonna front the fitment right now. Fitment's on point.
That's all you.
No, si fuera por mí no tuviera aeropuerto. Nah, that shit looks good. Obviously, it needs to get aligned. The toe, this side is towed in a good amount. So for the rear, we're gonna start with, he has the rear camber arms. We took out already one nut, and then we're gonna max out this. And I think that might be enough to clear and tuck the wheel. If not, we will take out another one and make it a little bit shorter. So we already did the rear. I didn't show the test fit, but taking one of the locking rings out worked perfect. So Jeiko is finishing tightening that side up. Then we're gonna replicate it on the other side so you guys can see exactly how the fitment is done. Plus 22. So Gabe is not happy with the G80 because it doesn't have enough camber, so he said let's camber it, right?
Yes.
And shit is happening. Rear is done. I'm not gonna show the wheels, or maybe I might. You have to stick around to find out. Front is getting fitted. You saw what we did to the top hat to get as much camber as we needed to fit it how we want to get it fitted. And as you can tell, the car is now white. What you think? What you think so far? Chris is staying around. He's like, I want to go home, but I want to see the car done.
I'm not leaving yet.
I'll show you or not. So we'll see how this fits. And maybe I'll show the wheels. Maybe I won't show the wheels. Who knows? I'm not going to do burn-offs on my new wheels and my new tires. Damn, sits so good. This is ideally the drive height, and definitely it's it. Ready to hit some boost. This was the last missing piece, and it looks so good. So when you gonna dyno? Oh wait, when you gonna street to?
Maybe in a week. Well, this week.
And then dyno? After that right away? Okay. That should look so good with the piping.